Hello, dear Dinka learners. Welcome back again. Today we are going to learn a mind-blowing video. In this video, we are going to learn 50 common Dinka words with the help of Dinka to English translation. Please watch the video to the end so that you can learn these 50 Dinka words. Let us begin from number one. Number one, jot. Jot. Jot mean to lift up something. Jot. Number two, bone. Bone. The bone mean to break. To break. To break something. Bone. Number three, dong. Dong. Dong mean to romance. To romance. To romance. In Chidongpin, you have romance. Number four, rom. Rom. Rom mean or rom. Rom or rom mean to meet or to share. Rom mean to share food or to share something with someone. Or rom mean to meet your friend, to meet someone on the way. Rom, you can call it rom or rom. There is difference between pronunciation. Rom mean to share. Rom mean to meet someone. Okay. Number five, doll. Doll. Doll mean to laugh. To laugh. Laughing. Ha 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 ha. Doll. Number six, boop. Boop. Boop mean to build. To build. To build the house. To build bridge. To build anything. And boop out. I'm building the house. And boop out. I'm building the house. That is the example. Number seven, touch. Touch mean to send. To send someone. In Batoch, I will send you. In Batoch mean I will send you. Number eight, leng. Leng la eng nga. Leng mean to melt. To melt. To melt the metal. To melt something. Leng to melt. Bin lung leng. Melt the metal. Number nine, lat. Lat. Lat mean to insult. To insult or to abuse. Win a lot. Why do you insult me or why do you abuse me? Lat. That is term lat in Dinka language. In balat. In balat mean I will insult you or I will abuse you. Number 10. Arch. Arch. Arch mean to carry on head. To carry on head. To carry something on your head. Arch. Take a hedge. Jerkan. The woman is carrying jerrycan on her head. Number 11, tal. Tal mean to cook. To cook. Tal. Tal to cook. Tik a chukun tal mean the woman has cooked the food. The woman has cooked the food. Tik a chukun tal. Tat mean cooking. But tal, tat like this. Ta, a, a, at, tat. Tat mean cooking. But tals cook. Number 12, qual. Qual. Qual mean to steal. To steal. In Chirap qual, you have stolen the sorghum. Number 13, cham. Cham. Cha ama is cha ama. Cham. Cham mean to eat. To eat. Sorry guys, to eat. Eat like this. To eat. Cham. And chukun cham. And chukun cham mean I eat the food. And chukun cham, I eat the food. Yes. Number 14, abel. A bell means stupid. Stupid person. A bell. Number 15. Ram, aram. Ram or aram. Ram, ra, ma. Or a, ra, ma. Aram or ram means painful. Painful, sometimes suffering. You are suffering. You ram a pay. You have body pain. Aram. You have a lot of the pain in your body. That is aram. Ram, painful. Number 16. Leg. Leg. Leg mean to tail. To tail. In balak mean I will tell you. In balak kedang. I will tell you something. That is term word leg. Number 17. Cake. Cake or a cake mean to quarrel. Quarreling. A cake. Deng kubol achi cake. Deng kubol achi cake mean Deng and Bol are quarreling, or Deng and Bol have quarreled. Cake. A cake mean quarreling. This a cake like this. A ka e ka. A cake mean quarreling. Yes, a cake mean quarreling. But this cake to quarrel is a verb. 18. Aleng. Aleng. Aleng mean to joke. Sorry guys, this is a error. Yes. Yes, is a error mean to joke. Joke. Yes, that is aleng. Number 19. Pain. Pain mean forbidden. To forbid. Pain mean to forbid, to stop someone from doing something. Pain, forbid. Number 20. Till. Till. Till mean to envy. To envy. To envy mean till. Winner till. Why do envy me? To envy. Till. Number 21. Tiel. Ta e a l. Tiel mean jealousy. Jealousy. To be jealous mean tiel in Dinka language. 22. Ping. Ping. Ping mean to hear something. To hear. Ting. 23. Ting. Ting mean to see. To see. To see. Ting. Number 24. Tick. Tick. Ta ika. Tick mean wife or woman. Wife or woman mean tick in Dinka. Number 25. Much. Much. Much mean man. Man. The other word that is related to much mean to shoot. Much in Bamuch Dang. I will shoot you with a gun. In Bamuch Dang. I will shoot you with a gun. That is the term word that is related to much. But much mean man. Another meaning is to shoot someone with a gun. In Bamuch Dang. 26. Map. Map. Ma epa. Map mean child. Child. Number 27. Ran. Ra a an. Ran mean person. Person. Ran mean person. That is ran. Number 28. Randit. Randit. Randit mean big person. Big person or big man. You say Randit. Randit. Randit It's very common in South Sudan. Randit, Randit, Randit. Randit mean a big person. Big person, or you say Akumadit. Akumadit mean Randit or a official man working in the government. Randit is another way of honoring or respecting people. Rancor, Rancor, Rancor mean small person. Small person. Randia, Randia. This word is very common in Dinka. Randia. Randia mean my guy, my person. My guy, my person, my friend. Randia. Randia mean my guy. Number 31. Luet. Luet mean lies. Number 32. Aluet. Aluet. Ala u e et. Aluet. Aluet mean liar. Liar. Aluet. Number 33. Much. Much. Much or much. Much. Much or much mean to give. To give something. Much ran a few. Much ran a few mean give the person water. Give the person water. Much thick well. Give the woman money. Much thick well. Number 34. Mow. Mow. Mow mean wine. 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 That's mow. Number 35. Nyai. Nyai. Nyai mean to take away. To take away. Achueng nyai. They have taken away the cow. Jai. 36. Jai. Ajay. Jai. Ajay. Ajay or jai mean to refuse. To refuse. And chijai. When you hear someone saying in Dinka and chijai, I mean I refuse. And chijai and mean I. Jai refuse. Simply and chijai. I refuse. 37. Teach. 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 Teach mean to ask. Teach to ask someone. In ya teach, I'm asking you. In ya teach, I am asking you. Teach to ask someone. Number 38. Loy. Loy. Loy mean to do. To do. This is a loy to do. To do something. Loy, do it. Number 39. Lui. Lui. Lui mean to work. You are working. To work. Lui. Number 40. Dear. A dear. A dear or dear mean to fear. To fear. And dear, I'm so worried. I'm so afraid. I'm fearing. Number 41. Riosh. Riosh mean to be afraid. To be afraid. And Riosh ekor. I'm afraid of lion. Riosh. This is how you use Riosh. Ra I O Och. Riosh. To be afraid. Number 42. Tiok. Tiok. Tiok mean to bury. To bury. To bury something on the ground. Under the ground, I mean. 43. Luel. Luel. Luel mean to say. To say. Yekudu luelda. What are you saying? Yekudu luelda. What are you saying? Yeluelda. What are you saying? Luel to say. In Dinka. It's very common. You meet someone on the way and you hear them, they are talking. Yekudu luelda. Meaning, what are you saying? Number 44. Duong. Duong da u o onga. Duong mean to deceive. To deceive. To deceive. To deceive someone. To deceive a person. You are telling lies. 45. Luok. Luok or aluk mean to ripen. Manga achiluok. The mango is ripen. Guapa achiluok. The guapa is ripen. Yes, like that. Number 46. A mule or a mole. You say a mule or a mole. Mad person. A mule or a mole. Ran kena a mole. This person is mad or crazy. This person is mad. Ran kena a mole. We get before ran mean a person. Ran kena a mole. This person is mad. Or this is a mad person. Kene amol. This is a mad person. Number 47. Nyar. Na i a r. Nyar mean to like or to love. Nyar. Yinyar. Yinyar mean I like you or I love you. Tiang dia anyar mean I love my wife. Wing anyar mean I like the cow. Number 48. Man or aman. Ma-a-ana. Man or aman mean to dislike or to hate. This is the opposite of nyar. Man. The opposite of nyar in Dinka is man. Nyar or man. To dislike or to hate someone. You love someone or you like someone. In the opposite, you hate them or you dislike them. That's how we do it in Dinka. Yinyar mean I like you or I love you. Yinman mean I hate you or I dislike you. That's how we do it in Dinka. Dinka is very easy, guys, and it's very funny and it's so easy to understand. 49. Bay, a bee. Bay or a bee mean to bring. Bay pew mean bring water. Bay pew, bring water. Bay cha, bring milk. Bay queen, bring food. You see, guys, very easy. Number 50. Ngany. Nya. Ngany mean to open or open it. To open the door or to open something. Ngany. Utok angany mean the door is opened. Utok angany mean the door is opened. Ngany utok mean open the door. That is it. Ngany. 51. Yenakan mean the hen. Yenakan mean the hen. By William Majak Malek Deng. Ran Pyoj Thoŋjäŋ Dinka. Nyalich Abuik Dosh. God bless you all. Nyalich Abuik Dosh mean God bless you all. Please follow, share, like, and subscribe. Then you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel. The name of YouTube channel is called Dinka English TV 5. That is the name of Dinka English TV 5. This is our YouTube channel. We uploaded the video and there are video of last year. There are a lot of video there. Please go there and subscribe, watch the video, share the video to your loved one. So this is the end of our video. If you find this one very interesting, please follow the page and share the video to your loved one. Let us learn Dinka language together. And if some words are wrong here, please correct them in the comment section here. And that's how we are going to learn. Other people are going to see your comment there, and they are going to learn from the mistake that I did here. Some of the information here I put them, but sometimes typing error it happens. So you can correct them there in the comment section. We learn together, we spread Dinka language together. Thank you guys. Dornyali Kawik, Kuyania, Ayan William Majak Malek Deng. Nyali Kawik. Bye bye. We shall meet in next lesson. Stay tuned. Every weekend we shall bring the video. We shall bring the video every weekend. Okay guys. Sorry I make the video long, and that is it. Bye bye.